From rags to riches, let's get to know a Filipino entrepreneur's journey to success in the UAE. Jenny Segalowitz.
Sobrang hirap ang buhay namin sa Pilipinas. Lumaki ako sa squatter. Kailangan naming mag-igib ng tubig. Wala kaming kuryente at wala rin kaming sariling banyo. Naalala ko nung maliit ako, kailangan kong mga tulong bago pumasok sa school. I think isang tinapay pinakamasarap na sa amin. Doon sa Las Piñas ako lumaki. Mula nung maliit ako, nagtatrabaho na ako. Dahil sa hirap ng buhay, kailangan ko magbenta ng yelo dahil wala kaming kuryente at napakainit. Kada bakasyon, namamasukan ako ng katulong para makabili kami ng gamit sa school. Noong 2002 namatay ang tatay ko. Naisipan ko na mag-abroad. At that time, may nag-offer sa akin dito sa UAE. Ayaw ako payagan ng mama ko, pero sabi ko, sige lang. Wala akong alam kung anong magiging trabaho. But you know, I think by my faith and by the courage that I have. Napunta ako sa UAE 2003 bilang isang service crew sa isang restaurant. Doon nag-start ang buhay ko as OFW. There's a lot of struggles that I've been facing. First of all, wala kang pamilya dito sa UAE. As an OFW, ang hirap ng trabaho, araw-araw, mararamdaman mo na ganito na lang ba ang buhay? So, my first marriage is failed and I have kids here in UAE na I have to raise. Dumating ang pandemic. Before pandemic came, naiuwi ko na yung mga anak ko kasi I know, I was already separated with my ex-husband. It will not work. So, nag-file ako ng annulment and then inuwi ko yung mga bata. And then, I was praying, Lord, if you will give me a right person, give it up. Eto na, nakilala ko si Apam. Nung nakita ko ni Apam, common friends. You know, pinakilala kami as a common friends. And, you know, masyadong mabait to si Dog eh. And he's also, we're the same boat. You know, our marriages are the same boat. I am being so thankful to my husband, Dog, because he gave me a good life. It entrusted me everything. I met him 2019. We fall in love. We never stop talking. We never stop exploring. We never do something. He always telling me that you make me happy. I'm not doing anything, but it's just like maybe I'm being a positive person. When I asked him that I want to have a business way back 2020 when COVID, you know, like it was pandemic. And he said, yeah, he trusted me. So we make Korean barbecue and why mukbang? Because during pandemic, one of the trends in the social media is word mukbang. It's a lot of 1,000 million views, 100 million views. So when we think about what's the name of our restaurant, we research in Google. And you know, my husband is an IT. He's working always in the laptop. So we researched everything and we found out mukbang. My husband is also doing crazy mukbang. He has a blog. So when we have this name, and we found out that this name is trending, we put and we apply it the name. Everyone loves K-pop. So we designed this with the Korean style, with the Korean vibes, and with the Korean culture. People like the color palettes. They like also. And the main thing is we have Korean barbecue. You can find the Korean barbecue here in UAE with unlimited. We serve 7 kinds of Korean barbecue. You know, we have bulgogi, shadolbegi, yangnyeom chicken, bulgogi, sugo. If you didn't understand in Korean, come to mukbang. I can say that they were happy and I can say that they love to work in mukbang. Why? Because we treat them as family. And we share them our goal, our mission, and who were them after 5 years to 3 years. Because we also teach them. We always tell, I don't want you to be dishwasher only. I don't want you to be stop only. I want you to be in charge, team leader, learn. Because I tell them, this is my story. I was only waiter. Now I am the owner. You can be like this too. Nung na-receive na namin ang blessing namin, sinasabi ko sa Panginoon, Panginoon, paano magbalik sa'yo? Paano ka namin pasasalamatan? We don't want too much money. We wanted to return back. Ngayon, meron kaming foundation. We are helping kids from the Philippines. Kung ano yung pinaghirapan ko, kung ano yung pinagdaanan ko, gusto kong ibalik yun sa mga tao. Gusto kong maging channel of blessing. Sa aking mga kapwa OFWs, maraming sa atin na maganda na ang buhay sa Pilipinas but they want to have only, additional life. At sa mga Pilipino na walang-wala, kagaya ko, na dumating dito sa UAE, nag-start sa wala, mangarap kayo. Kasi walang bayad ang mangarap. Mangarap kayo at magsipag. Mangarap kayo at abutin yung mga pangarap nyo. Hindi nag-i-start yan sa pangarap lang, ginagawa. Kagaya ko, nagtiis. Kagaya ko, nag-ipon. Kagaya ko, nag-set ng goal. With prayer, sa mga Pilipino, huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa. Ini-encourage ko kayo na maging isang mabuting ehemplo sa kapwa nating mga Pilipino. For more stories, tune in to GMA Pinoy TV and their social media accounts. To subscribe, visit their website. Salamat mga kapuso!